Okay, let's continue from where we stopped the last time. The last time we talked about how to add audio. Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to add text, because if you look at this, so let's say we want to add a title there. So for example, I will just click on this text, this sign you're seeing here. Just click here. So once you click on it, let's see. So you have between text and at the same time you have SRT file. So this one is used to add subtitle, while the text is to add image. Okay, this is for the title. The text. So you can click the type of size you want, and if there is any preset you like here, you can make use of it. Okay, but I like going for neutral one. Okay, so let me just choose this blank one. Let's just write something like, what is Fast and Furious. Let me go back. Okay, so click on it and come to edit. So just type whatever you want there. So let's say Fast and Furious. Furious 7.0. Let's say that is what we want, for example. So you can come here. We have a lot of things you can do inside your text. This first segment here is to set font. This one the size, this one the color, this one the spacing. This is also spacing, and this is the background. Okay, you can do all those things there. Let me back. Now let's do the first one. Let's click on edit. So if you come to that edit, let's play with the first one, which is font. So you can choose the kind of font you want. For example, let's say this is the font you want. Any font, just play around with it. Okay, so let's just say this is what we would like. For example, for now, let's reduce the size. It's too big. Okay, let's say this is what we want, or let's go with this. Okay, this one looks good too. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's just go with this one now. That is for the font. You can choose whatever font you want. Then this side here, you can choose the font size, the way you want it to be big. You can set it here. Okay, then you can come here, you can set the color. Like if you like a preset here, you can click anyone, and if you are not satisfied, you can do your own. You can come here, just come to this place, like the text. You can choose the color of the text. Maybe the border, you don't want any border, switch it off. You understand? If you want shadow, set your shadow. If you want background, give it any background you want. If you don't want, switch it off. You understand? So you can do a lot of things with it. So for example, let's say I'm satisfied with this. That is that about color. Then I can come to this place also. If I click here, I can do a lot of things. Assuming it's many text, I can put bulletin, but now I don't need bulletin at all. Okay, so I can bold, but this particular font will not permit us to bold. You can see it's not switch on. So assuming the text is many, you can do a lot of alignment, like the way you have it on your Microsoft and every other software. Okay, then you can work on your title case here. You can decide to go with capital letter, title case, small letter, anyone you decide. This is what another thing you can do. Then the next place here, we have the spacing here. Okay, so if you click there, you may decide to space. So for example, if I want the text to be far this way, you understand? And also if you want, assuming it's double line, you can increase that too. Okay, so this is for T. This one has this for a lot of presets we have done. You can make use of any one you like. Okay, so now let's check our text and see the way it really reacts. Now you can see that it's really boring in one kind. The text is stagnant. Okay, so just click on that text. Now under edit is where we've talked about. Now there are a lot of things you can still add to it. Go inside motion. You may decide to give it a little fade, or maybe something like that. satisfied now. Let's check. So then you may decide any other thing. You can still out animation. You can still repeat the same thing for the outside. Or if you want it to be shaking, you can so that is that for text. You can do a lot of effects on it. Okay, so let's just round it up here. Then in the next video we will look about how to add another text to lay 2 or more videos together. Okay, see you in the next video.